introduction. To our presiding officer this evening, President Bernard Hoxon, Media Past President Emil Maculangan, the Honorable Mayor Eric Africa. To our first Vice Governor, Apolinario Cortez, second Vice Governor, Imelda F. Pechera, Past District Governor, Maria Susa Toby Antiporda, and Past District Governor, Processor Rose Peña. To all members of the District Cabinet here present today, visiting Lions Clubs from different towns and provinces around our district, to all Leos, guests, and most especially to the officers and members of the Lipa City Malarayan Lions Club, isang magandang gabi ho sa ating lahat. I take special pleasure to be invited to speak tonight on the occasion of the induction and anniversary, the 53rd induction and anniversary of the Lipa City Malarayan Lions Club. Tunay pong isang institusyon ang inyong club. Haligi ng public-private sector dito ho sa inyong lungsod with a rich history of serving our underprivileged and less fortunate. Noong November 2 ho, umaga nang kami matapos sa ating induction sa Batangas City. Nagyaya po ang ating first Vice Governor Paul at kasama ang ating second Vice Governor Mel na tumulak po sa bahay ni Lion Cesar. At kasama ni President Bernard, nakipagkumustahan po tayo at ang naging resulta ng munti at mabilis ang meeting mo na iyan ay napag-usapan na sana nga ang Lipa City Malarayan Lions Club ay mahikayat natin magdaos ng kanilang induction ngayong taon. Kaya sa ngalan po ng ating distrito, District 301A2, at sa ngalan ng ating opisina, lubos po tayo nagpapasalamat na ang ating Pangulong Bernard, IVP Ramil, at ang inyong mga member ay nagdaos ng inyong induction mo. Lions International benefits from your active participation. The commitment of our members every year to join different activities of service, to join the civic activities of your city and province, and of course, what the goings on of our association is at the district and multiple district level only ensure one thing, that Lionism here in Lipa remains steadfast and strong. Kanina ho, at siguro marahil hindi na ho siguro aksidente, na buong akala ko sa inyong clubhouse gaganapin ang induction ngayong gabi at doon muna ako napunta. Incidentally, it is also my first time seeing the edifice of your clubhouse, a very impressive structure. And as President Bernard was informing me earlier, he takes pride that the Lipa City Malarayan Lions Club and Lionism here in your city is an active stakeholder of the city government, and with the full support of Mayor Eric Africa, we can make sure that your club continues to be one, a big player in the private sector, and remaining in a very active corner of our district in terms of civic and humanitarian service. Kahanga-hanga po ang nagiging pag-unlad at pag-usbong ng inyong lungsod. Narinig natin kanina ang mensahe ni Mayor Eric at siguro ho, kaakibat po ng pagprogreso at paglaki ng inyong syudad ay siya rin mong renewal, revival at pagpapalakas ng Lipa City Malarayan Lions Club. Ang tema po ng ating distrito sa taon na ito ay Service, Our Legacy. Layunin ko pong ipaliwanag sa nakararami na bilang mga leon, ang ating kawang-gawa, ang ating mga proyekto, at ang ating pakikidaupang palad sa mga nangangailangan at kapuspalad nating mga kababayan ang siyang bukod tanging nagpapalakas ng ating samahan. Mayaman po ang kasaysayan ng Lions International dito ho sa Lipa. At lagi kong sinasabi, tuwing nasa Batangas ang inyong lingkod, ang unang district governor na Batanggenyo noon pang 1960s ay walang iba kundi isang Lipenyo. Ang ating past district governor, Ricardo Bonilla ng Lipa Host Lions Club. Patuloy ang tradisyon ng pagiging leader ng mga taga-Lipa at ng mga taga-Batangas sa ating distrito. Ang ating pong immediate past district governor ay mula Batangas City. Ang kanyang may bahay ay naging gobernador 5 years ago mula sa Batangas Crown Lions Club. At habang tayo nakatingin ngayon sa kasalukuyan at sa hinaharap, inaasahan din natin ang susunod na pagkakataon na ang Lions District Governor muli ay manggaling dito ho sa inyong magiging lalawigan na Batangas. Parang ayaw akong tingnan ng diretsyo ni RC Mendel.
Go RC! Go RC!
Ang ating Lions Clubs dito ho sa inyong lalawigan ay sinisikap natin tulungan, umusbong at lumaki lalo ang samahan. Sa taon na ito, ating isinaayos ang ating region and zone structure kung saan bilang pagkilala sa napakalaking at napakagandang halimbawa ng ating mga Lions Clubs dito, dalawa na ho ang Lions Region natin. Ang Batangas A na binubuo dito ho magmula Lipa, ang 4th, 3rd District. So the 3rd, 4th, and 6th District ang ating Batangas A Region. At ang Batangas B Region naman, ang 1st District, yung western side. And then the 2nd District, kila Lion Charter President Congresswoman Jinky Beatrix. At ang 5th District, kila Lion President Congressman Barbie of the City of Batangas. Malaki ang kumpiyansa at tiwala natin na sa pamamagitan ng ating mga Lions na season o mga matatagal na nating kasama, ay magiging patuloy na gabay natin para sa mga Lions na ating mga bagong kasamahan ngayon. Gusto kong hikayatin ang ating mga new Lion members na naindak ngayong gabi na tumayo. Can I ask our new Lion members to please rise? To our new Lion members, I want to reassure you that everyone in this hall were once in your shoes. We all once took our oaths of membership, not really understanding how great an association Lions International is, nor comprehending the depth of the International Association. But one thing is for sure, by choosing to affiliate yourselves with the Lipa City Malarayat Lions Club and joining Lions International, you have certainly made the best decisions of your lives. Congratulations and welcome again to Lions. Congratulations. Sunod po ay nais kong tawagin ang ating mga past president ng Lipa City Malarayat Lions Club. Ang mga past president po ay nangyari pong tumayo. Ang ating mga past president. To all the past presidents of the Lipa City Malarayat Lions Club, ito po ang nais iparating ng inyong district governor. Ang 53rd anniversary ng inyong club ay hindi mararating kung hindi dahil sa paghihirap at karanasan na ipinamalas ng inyong bawat pangulo. Ang umabot ng kalahating siglo, ang ipakita na sa higit na 5 dekada, ang Lipa City Malarayat ay nananatiling haligi sa inyong lungsod. Ang Lions Club na ito ay mananatili pang malakas at ang inyong mga magiging pangulo ay patuloy na may kumpiyansa at tiwala dahil sa inyo yan. Congratulations, ating mga past president. Congratulations. Huli, syempre, I'd like to call the man of the hour, President Bernard Hoxon. Please rise. President Bernard, tonight you have accepted the mantle of leadership. You now lead your club and your members. But I ask you not to lead them from above them. You will lead alongside them, beside them, in the service activities that you do and in the activities that your board of directors choose to pursue. I have only one advice for you. Do what is right, do your best, and God will take care of the rest. Congratulations, President Bernard. To all our fellow Lions here, kung mayroon pong isang takeaway o isang legacy ang nais po ng inyong lingkod sa ating terminong itong 2024-2025, ay masabi ng ating mga kasapi at kasamahan sa pagtatapos ng taon na ito na tunay kong ikinararangal at ipinagmamalaki na ako ay bahagi ng Lions International. Patuloy po natin i-enjoy. Patuloy po tayo magsaya. At sigurado ako, kapag madalas na magkikita ang mga Lions ng Lipa City, Malaray at Lions Club, hindi lamang ang fellowship ang ating ma-enjoy, kundi ang mga proyekto at aktibidad na po pwede pa natin gawin para sa ating mga nangangailangan at kapusparan na kamulan. In closing, I'd like to end with my favorite quote from our founder Melvin Jones's book of speeches. It's called I Am Lionism, and it goes something like this. I am Lionism, though known by the name which I now bear, but a few brief years. I have lived in the hearts of men since the dawn of history, and will continue to live therein so long as men love justice and the service of their fellow men. I live only for others. I found life by losing it in service. I will lose it only when I live to myself alone. This is my creed. This is the reason for my existence. I live that I may serve. I am Lions. Muli, to the officers and members of the Lipa City Malaray at Lions Club, ang aking taus-pusong pagbati sa inyong anibersaryo at induction ngayong taon. Naway dumami pa ang inyong hanay nang sa gayoy dumami rin ang ating mga matutulungan. And just always remember, your friend, Leo Lion Sol Flores Jr. will always be at your beck and call. Anytime, any place, anywhere, just call my name and I'll be there. Maraming salamat.